Data shows that food marketing to children contributes to obesity. And one backdoor way food and beverage companies advertise to children is by placing banner ads on third-party websites geared towards kids.
We looked at advertising for food and beverages that appeared on children's websites like nick.com and cartoonnetwork.com. And this is a very common form of advertising that food companies use, but it hasn't been studied previously.
That's why a study done by the Yale Rudd Center for Food Policy and Obesity set out to find the number of food and beverage advertisements viewed on popular kid websites. The study also checked to see what the nutritional quality of the ads were. The findings were not encouraging.
In this study, we found that there were 3.4 billion advertisements placed on children's websites during that one-year period. And the most of these advertising was placed on two Viacom sites, so Nickelodeon and Neopets.com. So we also looked at the nutrition quality of the foods and beverages that were advertised on these websites, and even though most of them were placed by companies that participate in food industry self-regulation, 84% of the products were high in sugar, fat, or sodium. And the most common products that were advertised were sugary breakfast cereals and fast food.
These results are concerning for several reasons.
A lot of parents think these websites are safe and fun places for their kids to visit, and they don't realize how much unhealthy food advertising appears on them. So one site in particular was an issue, which is Neopets.com, and a child who visits that site will see about 30 unhealthy food ads a month when they visit.
Harris says there are ways to fix this problem, though.
Since the companies that are advertising on these sites belong to the CFBAI self-regulatory program, this study really shows how there needs to be improvements in the standards for what they say are healthier dietary choices that can be advertised to children. In particular, the sugar content of the products that were advertised was very high, so that needs to be improved. Another issue that we found with the food industry self-regulation was most of the sites that we looked at, including obviously child-targeted ones like nick.com or cartoonnetwork.com, did not qualify as child-directed sites according to the industry self-regulatory program. So their definitions of child targeting really need to be improved as well.
For more information on this study and on the Yale Rudd Center for Food Policy and Obesity, visit yaleruddcenter.org.